Good morning. So today we are going to read Money is Funny. Before we read this, I want us to go over some sight words, words that you will see definitely in this passage. So the first one is groceries. Have you ever helped your mom and dad bag groceries or bring the groceries back from home? So groceries are just things like food, fruits, things that your mom and dad might buy at the supermarket. The next word is money. Money is what you use to buy things and is what you earn. And you can buy things when you earn that money. The next word is wash. Wash means to clean. Like, can you wash the car or make sure you wash your hands? The next word is earn. Earn means you have to do something in order to get money. You have to earn the money. Or you can also hear people saying you have to earn respect. If you're respectful, you earn respect from other people. The next word is paid. Paid is the past tense of pay. So maybe your mom and dad, they go to work and they get paid. They do the work and the company gives them money. They're paid. The last one is work. Work means something that you're doing. Work can be just like your mom and dad, they go to the office or they build homes, or teachers, they go to work to teach. And it's something that you do. Just like students, your work is to do your classwork and homework. So let me go over these words again. Groceries, money, wash, earn, paid, work. All right, now you are ready to read Money is Funny. Mary saw her mom spend money on groceries. She saw her dad spend money on new tools. That all seemed funny to Mary. Money is just green paper, Mary thought. Why do people give my parents groceries and tools for green paper? Pause right here. Do you think money is just green paper? Mary took out her big box of crayons. She colored some paper green. She took her green paper to the toy store in town. I want to buy a toy, Mary declared. Here is some green paper. The lady at the store said, Sorry, that's not real money. It is just green paper. Mary asked her dad about money. He said that money was a special type of green paper. He also said you have to go to work to earn money. That is the only green paper you can spend. Can I work and earn some money? Mary asked. Yes, said her dad. Wash the car and I will pay you. Mary washed the car and got paid $6. She went back to the store and bought a toy. Now she knows why her mom and dad work for money. All right, so reread the story one more time. I want you to either listen to the story or read along.